Join me as I dive into the top 7 health benefits of turmeric and see if I can incorporate them all into my daily routine for a week. Turmeric, that vibrant yellow spice commonly found in Indian and Middle Eastern cooking, has been making waves in health circles for its incredible benefits. From boosting immunity to fighting off chronic diseases, it's no wonder turmeric has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Today, I'll be sharing with you my top 7 picks for the amazing health benefits of turmeric. Many of us are dealing with chronic inflammation, arthritis, and other health issues that seem to have no cure. We're constantly on the lookout for natural solutions to alleviate these problems. Inflammation is a major contributor to many health issues, and it's amazing to think that something as simple as turmeric can make a difference. Chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer are also on the rise, and it's essential to explore natural ways to prevent and manage them. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that have been shown to reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of arthritis. For instance, studies have found that curcumin can inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory enzymes, which contribute to inflammation. This makes turmeric an excellent natural remedy for people suffering from chronic pain. Additionally, turmeric has been used for centuries to aid digestion and relieve symptoms of bloating and gas. Let's dive into the top 7 health benefits of turmeric. Number 1. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce pain and inflammation. Number 2. It can improve brain function and even help prevent or slow the progression of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Number 3. Turmeric has been shown to have anti-cancer properties, with studies demonstrating its ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Number 4. It can help lower cholesterol levels and prevent heart disease. Number 5. Turmeric has antimicrobial properties that can help boost the immune system. Number 6. It can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis and other joint-related issues. And number 7. It may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. But what I find most surprising about turmeric is its potential to prevent and even reverse certain diseases. For example, studies have shown that curcumin can help dissolve amyloid plaques in the brain, which are a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. This is a game changer for anyone concerned about brain health. Turmeric's ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress can also help prevent chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. By incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, you may be able to significantly reduce your risk of developing these diseases. In conclusion, turmeric is an incredible spice that offers a wide range of health benefits, from reducing inflammation and improving brain function to preventing chronic diseases. By incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, you can take a proactive approach to your health and wellness. If you're a fan of turmeric, I'd love to hear about your favorite way to use it. Do you have a go-to recipe or a special hack? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about natural health remedies, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic.